The Government of Kerala and the Kerala State Responsible Tourism Mission joined hands for an ambitious project in the district of Alappuzha and Kumarakom titled Clean Vembanad. This project introduced scientific waste management solutions in the Vembanad region, one of the most picturesque tourist spots in the world. Every day, tons of waste is dumped into the Vembanad backwaters. Under the guidance of the RT mission, houseboat owners and workers were equipped and educated about the need to keep the backwaters free of pollutants. Before this effort, there were many confusions regarding waste management at Vembanad. The awareness programs conducted by the Responsible Tourism Mission highlighted the role of waste management in the tourism sector and inspired houseboat owners and workers themselves to collect the money for waste management initiatives like the cleaning process. The houseboat owners and the Kerala Travel Mart Society, under the leadership of the mission, have already collected 58 loads of plastic waste and processed them scientifically. This effort lasted for 15 days. The mission conducted its first training session at Pallathuruthy, a houseboat centre in Kerala. The clean-up project has received the wholehearted support and cooperation of all stakeholders. As mentioned, the project aims to avoid utilising plastic items and the dumping of plastic waste by tourists and other visitors. The Responsible Tourism Mission also intends to supply free cloth and paper bags produced in RT units along with buckets to collect biodegradable and degradable waste in order to prevent environmental pollution. Thus, with this project, it will be possible to protect Vembanad and provide employment opportunities to the local populace. Similar programs were also conducted in Kumarakom with the active participation of houseboat workers and the Responsible Tourism Mission.